The system analyst bridges the gap between end users to the development team to help each one to understand the requirements of the desired product.
Good afternoon, I'm Rolando Medrano Jr. working at the Department of Trade and Industry under the Information Systems Management Service. So here at DTI, I'm head of the information support, basic support and management. Okay. So I've been with the IT industry for the past 20 years. So previous work experience, I also worked for the department for the last 15 years. But previously, I worked with BancNet Corporation as data communications engineer. So school. So I graduated at Polytechnic University of the Philippines, course BS Computer Engineering. Likewise, pamantasan ng Luzon ng Manila, Masters in Computer Engineering, and also I graduated at Philippine Christian University with Masters in Business Administration.
First, we asked Sir Medrano, what does a system analyst do?
As a systems analyst, part of the trabaho, analyzing, implementing, design and implementation for information systems.
According to Sir Medrano, he has been with the industry for quite some time now.
So, first of all, I've been with IT industry for the past 20 years. So, before naging systems analyst ako, so I started as from junior programmer, then gradually I became as a systems analyst. Siguro yung 20 years ko sa IT industry, siguro 10 years. 10 years nang ginugol ko from being a programmer to systems analyst.
And when it comes to the projects he has made in the past,
as a systems analyst, before I handled from minor systems implementation sa DTI to some major implementations sa dito sa DTI. So one of these is the implementation for the payroll system. Okay. Then likewise, I do also handle the implementation of National Trade Fair information systems, and aside from that, I've been part of the technical working group where we handle or monitor the implementation of mga information systems that the department is doing. For example, business name, yung mga DTI website, yung mga financial management systems namin.
According to him, his job is not a piece of cake.
Actually, wala namang madali eh. But through proper training and proper yung experience that you will earn, later on maano yun na medyo worth ito, madali rin naman ang information system, yung systems. So siguro sa una medyo mahirap, but afterwards when you handle or gain experience, handle different projects, then mapapansin nyo later on that some of the steps, especially when it comes to sa software design, software development life cycle, paikot-ikot lang naman yan eh. So ano lang yun, medyo makikita nyo madali.
We ask him the problems he has faced in the past as a system analyst.
So, different development process natin when it comes to systems implementation. Meron mga different problems that arises. But most of the common problems or most specific problems na kailangan nyo lang na the important or more important problems that we experience is, for example, in terms of dun sa initial development ng information system, magkaiba na yung system's requirements, user requirements dun sa walang proper scoping yung systems, yung requirements. Kumbaga sa ito yung gusto ng user, pero at the end iba yung lumalabas. Kasi lalo na delikado yung pag kunyari umabot na kayo sa nasa development stage na kayo, tapos nandoon na kayo sa testing stage, then malalaman nyo na later on na iba pala yung kailangan ng users. So pag dinaanan nyo yung proseso ng software development life cycle natin, yung development cycle natin, malaki na yung babalikan. So most of the delays are coming from hindi proper yung yung way of systems analysis. Yung from yung business requirements mo, gagawin mo yung conceptualization mo, design.
But he said that these problems undergo processes to be able to be fixed.
So, as an advice, what we do handle is that we are very careful or on the first stage pa lang ng designing the system. Meaning, dun pa lang sa gathering of information data or gathering information data, yung user requirements, medyo meticulous na yung process na dapat na ginagawa. Wherein, for each process, dapat nagsasign off kayo with yung user. Para at least, alam nyo na pag natapos kayo sa initial stage, yung initial stage natin, yung systems analysis or systems analysis request something. Klaro sa inyo ng user kung ano yung gusto nila. Okay. So yun. So you give more time dun sa yung systems analysis natin, yung pinaka first step. Then later, kasi pag na-perfect nyo na yung first stage na yun, later, pag pumunta na kayo pag pumunta na kayo sa programming stage, testing stage, mas lesser yung error na makikita nyo. Hindi yung nandun na kayo nasa last stage na nandun na kayo sa testing stage. Saka nyo pala malalaman na ang layo noong requirements na kailangan.
A controversy also has stirred earlier this year that caused some government websites to be infiltrated by hackers. How big is the liability of the system analyst in here?
So, doon sa mga instances naman na na-hack yung mga websites. Okay? So, kung tatanungin mo if a systems analyst would have is responsible or partly responsible for yung systems being hacked, I would say that siguro as part of the team that handles yung information system, meron sila din meron sila in a way may responsibility sila, but not only systems analysts, kasi marami yan yung systems administration, network, security specialist. But as part of the systems analyst, dun sa initial stage pa lang nung design ng information system, aside from yung properly getting the business requirements ng customer natin, as part of the systems analyst also, yung sa design ng sistema ng ginagawa mo, you would also need to consider yung mga security features or yung aspects. Hindi lang yung mga functionality, yung business process, yung business flow process na makuha yung tama, but also you should also incorporate in your design yung security aspects.
When asked how important a system analyst is in the software development life cycle,
systems analyst is I would say is one of the main role in systems analysis in developing systems, especially if you're doing a medium to large implementation. Pag maliliit lang, pwede kasing yung programmer mo, siya na yung systems analyst mo. Siya na rin yung systems architect mo. But for large or medium to large system, you need to segregate properly yung mga delineation ng jobs natin. So para may check and balance. Now for systems analysts, it is likely very important because sila yung nagsasabi na sila yung conduit natin o nakakapag-interact doon sa user mo eh. Sila yung direct na may kausap sa user. Sila yung kumukuha ng mga requirements ng user, which then later on, yung mga business process na yun, they translate it to a systems design. Yung programmer, ang ginagawa lang naman niya basically is to yung design mo, gagawin nila conceptualization, i-encode na nila or i-program nila. But the systems analyst, sila yung whole picture, totality ng information system. For programmer kasi pwedeng per module lang yung ginagawa nila. Hindi nila nakikita yung totality ng sistema. But for systems analysts, sila yung nakakakita ng per module kung paano nila mag-work in together. Okay.
Finally, he categorized his experience as a system analyst in 3 words.
Experience? Well, for experience ko as a systems analyst, it is fun, it is challenging, and it is adventurous. Adventurous is that every system is unique eh. So hindi siya boring siya. So it's a continuous learning process eh. May dine-develop kang system pero although yung proseso mo pare-parehas yung ginagamit ng systems design or systems software development life cycle, isang parehas lang na methodology, but yung characteristic ng bawat information system magkakaiba. So in a way, it's very challenging and adventurous to explore. Matututo kayo. For example, on my part, hindi ko alam yung financial wala akong ganong alam sa financial management. Pero at that time na nag-develop kami ng financial management system, kailangan kong aralin yung ginagawa. In a way, natututo ka, na-explore mo yung mga ibang scenario. Later on, for example, kung meron kayong for example, payroll system. Malay ko sa payroll system. Now, at least ngayon, meron akong konting nalalaman sa anyway, such a way na yun, very adventurous.